Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have REDMI Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. And the Do Not Disturb mode is useful for muting and unmuting the notifications, hence the name Do Not Disturb mode. Basically, if you're in some kind of situations that you don't want to be disturbed, you turn on the mode, it will mute the notifications on your watch, also turn off the vibrations, I believe, and once the mode is disabled, or rather, disabled, it will unmute everything again, so you can hear the notification sounds and vibrations once you receive the notification. And I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to disable it. So let's get started. So to enable the mode on this watch, you need to wake up the screen, then press the lower button to open the control panel. And here we have the control panel. On it you have a bunch of icons, and one of them looks like this, like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, you simply tap on this icon, and here you have a few options. We have all day. If you select this option, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and it will stay on until you turn it off. Then we have 1 hour. This turns on the Do Not Disturb mode for 1 hour, and after 1 hour it will turn off automatically. 4 hours, it will stay on for 4 hours and turn off automatically. And custom allows you to make a schedule for it, basically. So it will turn on automatically at specific time and then turn off automatically at specific time. So I'm just gonna show you how that looks like when you enable it normally. So I'm gonna tap on all day. The message will appear, the DND is on, the icon will go back to, or rather get highlighted by the color, which means the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the icon right here at the top of the watch face appears, which means that the mode is enabled. And now the notifications are muted, so you won't be disturbed. And if you want to disable the mode, you open the control panel again, tap on the icon again, you will see the message DND is off. The icon will go back to the gray color, or being basically not highlighted anymore. And if you go back to watch face, the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And like I mentioned before, you can also make a schedule for it, which is quite useful. I recommend to use it, especially if you, for example, want to sleep with your watch on your wrist. I recommend to set up the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on when you go to sleep and turn off when you wake up. And to do that, you again open the control panel, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, then tap on custom, turn on custom right here. And now we can customize it. And we have a repeat option, basically how often the schedule should repeat. And you have once, it will go off once and not repeat anymore. Then we have daily, and you can also select custom and select specific days if you want to. And then we have the start and end. Start means when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and you can set the time by swiping up and down on the minutes and hours. And of course, once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. Same for the end time. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. each day, because I have daily repeat option. You can also turn off the schedule by going to DND settings again, custom, and turning it off right here by tapping on the switch. Okay. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.